Hi guys, so this is a very simple recipe and I'm going to write the ingredients on the description box. So what I'm doing is I'm adding everything into my blender, the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and I'm also going to link the benefits of all these ingredients in the description box, and I'm also going to write them on the screen as well. So I'm going to also add half a glass of water and I'm going to blend it. So make sure you blend it completely until all the garlic and the onions are properly blended, because we're going to save it. After saving it, we're going to use that onion juice to mix with our powders. So this is where I'm going to add in my moringa leaf powder. You can add more powders if you want. For me, I prefer using moringa leaf powder as of now because I love the benefit it comes with. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of moringa leaf powder, but you can add more if you want. For me, I'm just focusing mainly on my scalp. That's why I don't need too much moringa leaf powder. And then afterwards I'm going to add my amla oil. You can add any oil of your choice. You can add coconut oil, and also you can add olive oil or whatever kind of oil that you prefer using. After adding in your oils, you'll need an extra glass of water. This water you're going to be using to just change the consistency of this mask. If you want it on the lighter side, you can add more water. If you want it to be as a paste, then it's okay. So you just add in water as much as you feel like is okay for your hair. And for me, I liked it when it's a bit runny, and so that I can be able to cover my scalp with it. Once I'm done, I'm going to apply this on my scalp before I shampoo my hair. I'm going to use this as a pre-poo instead, so that I can be able to treat my scalp before I shampoo it. The reason why I do this before I shampoo my hair, it's because I don't like the smell. It has a very strong smell because of the garlic and the ginger and also the onions. Once I'm done applying my mask on my scalp, I'm going to massage my scalp for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to take my steaming cup. I'm going to stay with it for 20 to 30 minutes. Then once I'm done, I'm going to go and shampoo my hair, condition, deep condition, and then style my hair. So guys, that's it for this recipe, and I hope you really enjoyed this. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.